Good start. Hello YouTube, welcome to Donk Chevy, and today she body lady do good start. Pipe exhaust, good sound. Good start.
Boy, Diego gonna get me right. Hey, I need to holler at him. He the real deal. Off she goes. Check his page out. He do it all. I need to go ahead and check his page out, man. He do it all, man.
Oh, beautiful
I'm messing with
dog.
Diego for a little bit right now. Trust me. You want it done right? I need to go check him out, man. The real deal. Trucks, Chevys, you name it. She had to go.
Clean.
Boy, Diego gonna get me right when he come back.
Oh, for sure. Beautiful paint job. Good sound.
It's a vert road right here.
With them gold drinks, man.
Gas station lights. Beautiful big rim cars. Donk Chevy cruising the streets, clean.
Okay. That bitch clean as shit, dog. I can do this shit all night, dog. You in the turn lane? Oh, now we good. One time for the one time. Oh, shit. Oh, I got a whole nother gig, dog. I got a... This stupid is my...
Good ride.
Watch the babies up.
Beautiful
I ain't did nothing in
shape.
months with them.
71.
I hate washing cars, man. Shit takes so damn goddamn long. It still ain't how I want it, but it's clean enough to put the cover back on. '71 game, photo game. Post, no post. We got choices. We got the Impala. We got the Caprice. No post. Small block, big block. OG. Pretty damn clean. Got a couple of things, but that is for the age, man. Pretty clean car.
Old school style. On 28. Oh. Clean box shape. For good stuff. Yeah, buck Chevy for the dude. Do it now. Clean interior. if you like and subscribe. Bye bye.